yoga as religion, that is Hinduism, yoga as geography, that is Bharat. Please understand, the civilization which started in these Sabda Nadis, Gange cha Yamune cha iva Godavari Saraswati, Narmade Sindhu Kaveri. In these 7 rivers, the civilization started. That gave the gift of yoga to the world. We are happy to give this as a gift to the world. But understand, it is rooted in India, in Hindu tradition. Precisely what Sadashiva describes as yoga. He describes yoga as a method, a system, science for human beings to explore the various possibilities and powers and have access to various states of consciousness, avasthas, and various dimensions of the universe. Ability to express and explore the various powers, shaktis, and various avasthas, state of consciousness, like Jakrat, Swapna, Sushupti, Turiya, Turyadita, and various planes of consciousness, universe, various planes of universe, like Tapoloka, Satyaloka, Suvargaloka, the various planes. Of course, only the Sakshi Pramana establishes the authenticity. So now, the first level, manifesting various powers and possibilities, in that we are able to provide enough Sakshi Pramana. Soon, by Sadashiva's grace, we will provide Sakshi Pramana for exploring, radiating various states of consciousness and various dimensions of the universe. So yoga, as per Patanjali, is Chitta Vritti Nirodha, means cessation of the compulsive thought current patterns. Yoga, as per Sadashiva, is the science of exploring various powers of Sadashiva, various states of consciousness, and various dimensions of the universe. Soon, we will be able to provide Sakshi Pramana for all Sadashiva declares, as we have provided the first level, the powers and possibilities. We will provide the Sakshi Pramana for states of consciousness and the planes of the dimensions of the universe. It's our commitment to Vedamata and Sadashiva. The greatest contribution I am giving it to the world will be, listen carefully. After 100 years, people will try to do PhD on what is my contribution, what is my greatest contribution. For their PhD, now itself I am giving the thesis. I am giving the solution. My biggest contribution will be, understand, this whole Kailasa, Adi Kailasa, this power manifestation science, the great golden temple of Sadashiva, all that will be in the list. But the first will be thousands of kids made to do yoga, molded bodies through yoga will be my biggest contribution to the world. Understand, if some kid lived in my Gurukul for even 5 years, even if he goes out and gets married, his whole generation will be an enlightened DNA. You don't know what this intense yoga is doing. Just for this morning yoga, thousands of kids will come and stay in my Gurukul. Soon I will prove how this yoga literally changes their very DNA. Understand, you need to get this important truth. Now what I am talking should be understood very clearly. I think in some 10 or 12 years before I declared, when I was speaking about brahmacharya, your DNA is not defined or concluded based on your parents. Every person with whom you have a sexual relationship, physical relationship, you absorb that person's DNA, whether male or female. I declared at that time, sooner or later, medical science will prove, modern day science will prove what I am declaring, what I am claiming. Very recently, I saw the articles, researchers proving what I declared years ago. Now, I am coming to the next statement. Mahadeva declares at least in 4 places. In 4 places, Mahadeva declares, Mahasadashiva declares very clearly, anybody who does the yoga systematically as per his guidance, literally having cosmic union with him. It is called Mahamudra. Understand? I don't want to get into the deeper details. Understand the statements. It means proper practice of yoga as per Sadashiva's instruction. Mahasadashiva's instruction means imbibing his DNA into you. And I will prove scientifically, when these original verses are chanted and yoga is practiced, when Shaktipada happens, Kundalini is awakened, you imbibe his very DNA. You manifest his very DNA. Especially when young kids practice this yoga properly with this original verse, as per Sadashiva's instruction, their very DNA structure gets transformed to Sadashiva, Mahasadashiva's DNA. I tell you, Mahasadashiva's DNA kids are going to be my highest, greatest contribution. Sooner or later, the science will do thorough study on it and prove to the world.